if there's trucks in the tail.
Okay, so this is my buddy Jim, who's a Marine.
How's it going, guys?
He's got a miss on
Number 5
on this Durango.
She likes this truck.
So we're gonna try and get this thing fixed up and hopefully get this mist taken out.
I got new plugs, but if I only have to replace one,
right,
then I can take the other 5 back. It saves her a few pennies.
Right. I'm trying to save as much money as you can.
Well, she's got them 2 boys. Every day this truck goes off that mountain. This is the only one that can get up and down them narrow roads. She got good studs and everything on it. Used to be a Forest Service rig for Utah.
Yeah, you can still see it.
It's been good to her.
Yep. Good tires.
Talking to a guy about it yesterday when I was picking up spark plugs about that heater issue, and he said, you know, he says, if you've got a misfire in there, he says, sometimes the vacuum actuator for your heater doesn't work proper. So it's definitely something worth looking into. Right.
Well, if we can get that taken care of, then it's good.
Yeah.
But we got that actuator blend door open on defrost and floor. It was just on defrost, but
oh, that bumpy road knocked all that out of the
oh, that sucks.
So I took a wool blanket and stuffed it up underneath the dash so the cold air's not coming in anymore.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Well, the poor girls are in there freezing, and I can't have that. Right. I gotta get a plug socket.
All right, I'm gonna get changed and put my ratty clothes on.
Copy that.
All right, brother. I'll be right back. All right. Well, we already pulled the plug and we found the issue. Diode's gone. Yeah, look at that crap.
Yeah, I bet you the fuel mileage goes back up on this thing where it needs to be.
Yeah, it's running on 8 instead of 7.
7 instead of 8?
So, yeah, that was an easy.
Nice, easy fix. So the Autolite coppers are the ones that the guys at O'Reilly told me to get.
Right.
So pretty good visual of maybe what the issue was there.
Yeah, turn that one a little bit. Yeah, nothing. Come on, focus. Nothing. There's something.
So it runs pretty good under power once you get it up to speed.
Yeah, the RPMs are going.
Building your speed was just, it was violent. I started thinking I had a U-joint issue or something underneath it because of the way it was shaking.
Yeah.
Simple fixes like these are nice.
Yep.
You know, we've both worked on some pretty major projects together where even doing a spark plug job was just a pain in the ass.
Yeah, especially if they break off or
they're seized.
Like, seized and strip out, and you got aluminum heads and steel threads on the spark plugs. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. So
all right, threaded in by hand, pretty good. That's always a good thing. Right. So something to think about, guys, when you're doing this. If you get the plug out and the new plug doesn't want to go in, use a little bit of the lithium dye grease on your threads. It'll keep it from seizing when you put it back in. Otherwise, you do run a risk of breaking the plugs off in the heads.
When you go to take them out.
When you take them back out. And don't over tighten the plugs, guys. Yeah. You'll feel them stop.
And then you compression turn, what, quarter of a turn?
Something like that.
Eighth of a turn.
Take it down to tight, and then you can just get a little crack out of it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a eighth or quarter, one of the two.
Something like that. The Dodges are kind of weird.
Here, hand me one of them spark plugs.
You want one of the new ones?
No, I can use the old one. All right, so this is what we're talking about. This basically crush washer. When you put it in tight, and then you turn it that extra turn, eighth or quarter, depends on this plug. But it crushes this washer and seals everything. So yeah, that's
simple fix today. At least I hope this is all we have to do is one plug. It'll save her some money.
Yep.
You know, so y'all check out Vets Helping Others, man. This is a good deal. This is something John and I have been talking about doing for a very long time. Even before either one of us went into the military, we wanted to help people with their cars. Yep. So check it out. Give us some likes and some subscribes, man.
All right. I will see you guys later. Soon as... Smoother. It's a lot smoother. There we go. Good. That was it. So now we got to clear the codes and everything. So, all right. Y'all take care.
Have a good day.